In this video, we will learn how to remove labels from notes in Google Keep. So let's start. Here you can see I have already so many notes in Google Keeps. Here you can see I have two labels, IMP notes and my notes. In every labels have a two notes, and I want to remove these notes from this label. So when you click on the all notes menu, here you can see the all notes available. You can see the on notes, this is a label's name, my notes. Here you can see the IMP notes. This is a label names. So if you want to remove these notes from the labels, you just keep cursor on this label name. Here you can see the cross sign. Just click on it and remove the label. Keep cursor it and click on the cross sign. Keep cursor and click on the cross sign. All labels remove from all notes. Here you can see one more notes is happiness. Just remove it. Now you can check in labels no notes available. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.